Good morning, besties. So I can't be too loud. It is 6:40 in the morning. I just flew from LA to Baltimore on the red eye, and it was a crazy flight. I'm not even gonna get into it. Let's just say I'm not stressing. But what I do love is dumplings. You know I am in my dumpling era, so I decided that today, why wouldn't I just try to do dumplings on the go? Dumplings on the road, dim sum on the run, you know? So, I have my cooker, which you guys have all seen, my mini cooker, and I also bought some dumplings. So, let's see if we can do this. What do you think? Okay, hold on. You guys have asked how I cook things and wanted to see more videos. So, this is my mini cooker. It's the My Mini, and I am just going to plug her in. She gets so hot so fast, but hold on. These are the beauties that I bought. I've had these before. I tried these out. Obsessed, because you know I love pho and you know I love soup dumplings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water in the bottom of this, and then I'm going to add in the dumplings, and I think they will steam and then maybe get crispy on the bottom? Question mark? Tiny little bit of bottled water. And I mean like a tiny bit because, you know, dumplings are in and I could not be more excited. Okay, let's put on the lid. Steam, baby, steam. If this works, I may have changed my life forever. Is that dramatic? No. Besties, it's been 10 minutes and look, these are puffed up. Oh my goodness, the steam puffed up and perfect. Oh my gosh. All right, besties, you know the proof is always in the taste. So I have my chopsticks. Yes, I carry chopsticks. Mind your business. I have a dipping sauce that I made. So this is basically just gyoza sauce, and I actually mixed in a little of the crunchy garlic chili oil. So, all right, let me get a little perfect little dumpling here. Oh my gosh, we're gonna dip. Oh, it is fiery. Again, like 10 minutes. You could do like a hot pot. Well, like a little hot pot, like a mini hot pot. Little mini pot. Okay. Hot. Friends, legitimately, I'm in a hotel room, 7 a.m. I just made soup dumplings. And I have some like vegetables to go with this. Don't let anyone tell you that you have to go and get like McDonald's or that you can't eat. Like, no, you can make it work. I love this My Mini. Like, not sponsored. I wish. They don't know who I am. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you because so many of you have asked. Some of you travel a lot. Some of you are flight attendants. Some of you, I don't know. I just wanted to FaceTime you guys because I know for some of you will be seeing it's Monday. For me, it's Sunday. So I just wanted to do this with you guys. And then I wanted to do like a self-care Sunday. But I have to eat. And I also have a, anyway, no, that's not what this is about. These are amazing. If you haven't already, get this. Is anyone else obsessed with dumplings? Is it just me? I don't know. Anyway, I love you guys. I love this FaceTime. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing Sunday, Monday, and I'll FaceTime you soon. All right, call me every 5 minutes.